145. So our application problem says 2/5 liter of chemical A was added to 7/10 liter of chemical B to make chemical C.
What about chemical X? Oh,
All right, so it says chemical A. Can you guys see up there? Is the TV okay?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, the A is the one, the B is the P, the C.
All right. So 2/5 liter of chemical A was added to 7/10 of B. So A is added to B, and it's gonna equal C.
C.
So what was A?
2/5.
2/5. And what was B?
7/10. 7 million.
7/10 equal to C.
I know what.
So let's take a look. I have our little fraction manipulatives.
So we need to
Can we add
the physics.
fifths to tenths?
No.
No. So what should we do?
You times 5 times 2, and that would equal your times.
So we want to turn our smaller.
To the bottom, you have to do it to the top. So you multiply both by 2 because then it'd be 10/4, and then you can actually add them.
All right, so let's take a look.
10/5.
So we want to turn our fifths into tenths, right? So we can go 2/5, and we said, how many do we need to turn? We need to multiply by 2. So what's 5 times 2?
10.
10. And 2 times 2?
4.
And then why do we multiply the top by 2?
Because it's bottom.
Yeah, right? Whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. All right. So let's look at this now. So now, what do we want to do?
Add them together.
All right, so we have 7/10, and we have 4/10, and that gives us
11/10.
11/10. That's a good, yes, Annabelle?
But if also, if you want to rename the 11/10, you can also do 11/10 is also equal to 1 and 1/10.
All right, so we can make our little diagram here. And we know what fraction is equal to a whole if we're talking about tenths. 10 tenths. And how many would we have left over? 1/10. So if we write this, if we rename this, it'll be 1 and 1/10. All right. So let's get out our composition books. Yes.
How many questions?
We are going to do 6 questions today. 6. All right. So you guys can go ahead and split up your book into 6 equal sections. We're going to do 6 today. All right, so number 1, we are going to do 3/4. We have 3/4, and we want to add 2/8. So let's take a look at that. We have
Wait, how many problems? 6.
6. All right. So we have 3/4 here and 2/8. So first, we want to get our smaller number into our bigger number, right? So we're going to take 3/4. And we are going to need to multiply by 2 on the bottom to turn fourths into eighths.
And 2 on the 2.
And 2 on the top, because what we do to the bottom,
We must do to the top because he will get jealous.
he will get jealous, right? Alright, so now we turn 3/4 into 6/8, and we still need to add 2/8.
8 equals 8/8.
So 2/8 plus 6/8
Equals 1 whole. 8/8.
8/8. So let's take a look. If we switch our, let me see if I have enough of these. All right, so we switched our fourths into eighths. So we put 2 in there.
Wait, well,
We'll take this out. Oh, can you guys see that? I need to push it up a little, huh? So we take one of those. Yeah, wait just a second, okay?
After this one.
And then we can replace another one. So now we have 6, and then we replace another fourth with 2 more eighths. And let's see, let's get our whole stick. Does that look like it equals?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, you can go ahead. Okay, so we know that 8/8 is equal to 1 whole. All right, so for number 2, we are gonna do 4/6 plus 1/2. All right, and I'm gonna use our sticks. All right. So this number is 2 digits. It is an even number. If you multiply the numbers together, you get 12.
16. 26.
And you got it. So 26 is Alan.
What? You don't get it.
2 times 6?
You said 14.
Did I say 14?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I thought I said 12.
You said 12.
Did I?
Yeah.
You said 12.
Okay. All right.
Wait, this one has 2 different ways.
Mhm.
Okay.
Hello? Yes, hold on. Oh, no, it's okay. Okay, so, Alan,
Was he supposed to come back?
how can we turn our 2 into a 6?
Times it by 3.
There we go.
He just
So we
walked in
have
with an
1/2
ice pack on his eye.
times 3.
Oh, okay. He's sitting
Times
here at
3.
his desk with the ice pack on, so. Yeah, he says he's okay. I'll let him. I just rolled this and I didn't know if he was gonna ask you what happened.
3, 6. So we turned 1/2.
No, plus 4, 6.
There we go. Seven, 6. And now we have to do one more step. So we're gonna take 7/6.
One has 6.
Okay.
And one has 1.
All right. And what is 6/6 equal to?
1 whole.
1 whole. And what's left over?
1/6.
All right. Great job, Alan. Okay. Get these out of the way. All right, so number 3 is going to be 8/10 plus 3/5. Plus 3/5. All right, let's see who it's gonna be. All right, so this is an odd number.
So it can't be 16.
Mm-mm. It's a 2-digit number.
It has 2 in the.
What was that?
Does it have like 2 in this place?
A 2 in the ones place? It does.
Place.
Oh, in the 10s? Yes.
22.
It's not 22. If you add the numbers together, you get 7.
25.
Yep. All right, so 25 is Rudy. All right, Rudy. So how can we turn our small number or our small denominator into our large denominator?
Times it by 2.
Good job. So we have 3/5. And Rudy said we times the bottom or the top by 2?
Both.
Both. Good job, because what we do to the bottom?
You do the top.
All right. So you said to get 5 times 2, you get 10, and 3 times 2?
3 times 2. Oh, 6. 6?
Uh-huh. All right, so we turned 3/5 into 6/10. So now what do we need to do, Rudy? What was that? So our original question was 8/10 plus 3/5. So we switched it to 8/10 plus 6/10. So we need to solve that equation. 8/10 plus 6/10. And what does that give us, Rudy?
11
So we know it's going to be tenths. What did you say? 14. All right, and now our last step, we need to write this as a mixed number. So we have 14 tenths, and how can I break this up, Rudy? So you said 10 tenths, and what does that give us?
1 whole.
1 whole, and what do we have left over? 4 tenths. So our answer is 1 4 tenths. All right, great work. Number 4, we have 5/8 plus 2/4. All right, let's see who's going to help us with this one. Okay, it's a 2-digit number. And